If you have been struggling with meta ads and you're not being able to ship fresh creatives fast enough to keep your ads fresh, then this AdPreso AI review is for you. It'll show you how you can use one concept per week to create about 500 variations in maybe just about a minute. Plus, you'll be able to create copy and targeting all from a single click. So let's get started. Now, what is AdPreso AI? Now, AdPreso AI is an AI powered ad creative platform or ad creative engine that is trained on millions of top performing meta ads. And it is built by a team that claims to have managed more than $27 million in ad spend. And the goal with AdPreso AI, it is return on ad spend focused creatives at speed. This is a product that is going to help a lot of e-com owners, course creators, media buyers, and freelancers who need to create scroll stopping meta ad creatives without really spending a lot of money on hiring a designer or writing copy from scratch and getting all of these things done. So before I tell you about what I liked about AdPreso AI, I'll show you a quick demo of how this platform works, what is it, and how is it that you will be able to generate all of this in less than 1 minute as the claim says. Something that you're going to see is a process by which you're going to be able to generate 500 plus platform perfect creatives using one single URL. Plus, you'll be able to create headlines, hooks, and targeting ideas for your ads. And this demo will also show you the flow. And finally, I'll talk to you about my honest take on it and all of the pros and cons of AdPreso. So let's first look at the demo for AdPreso AI.
Welcome to AdPreso AI, and in this video, I will tell you how to use it to make effectively high-converting ads. Let's start creating ads. So click on Projects. When you come on the Projects window, click on Add New Project. Give it a name. I'm using Apple's website, so I'm giving it Apple's name. Now, I would like to tell you that you also have the option to not include BrandKit in your projects, and right away click on Next. For Facebook, you will get all the major ad categories. Can you see this? Image, slideshow, sponsored, marketplace, stories, carousel, collection, and same for Instagram. Image, carousel, explore, feed, shopping ad, collection ad, branded content ad. So currently I'll go to Facebook and I would want to work with the Facebook carousel ads and click on Create. Now, when you come to this page, you have two options. Either you right away give the website to AdPreso AI and it will capture all the data and it will create a description for you, which is very important and will be created in a way that, headlines and subheadlines are generated that will help you to boost your revenue and conversions, or you can add your data manually. So both can be done. Manually, you will have to do everything on your own. Product title, Apple, language, English, product description, what exactly you know about the product, then your target audience, your call to action. This you can use when you don't have website and it is yet to be built. But if you have a website, I would recommend you to use our AI feature. Okay, so I'm just copy pasting Apple website and clicking on scan. So product title has come up with a lot of keywords because all these are products of Apple and it has fetched maximum everything. That is amazing. Language is English. And description, experience the future of technology with Apple's latest lineup of innovative products. This seems too good for creating good ads. Now, the finest content generated through a website will give you the best headlines and subheadlines generated by AdPreso AI. So who is your target audience? Tech enthusiasts, professional students, health-conscious individuals who value premium technology and seamless integrations. This is, again, amazing. I for attention. Discover innovation now. Amazing call to action. Now let's see what will happen in the next window. So here, using the content from the website, AdPreso AI has generated multiple headlines, subheadlines, and call to action for you. You can choose anything from here. Let's say Apple's innovation peak, and then let's say up to 10,000 cashback, and explore now. Now these are the options already available. If you wish to edit, you have the option of doing that as well. Experience, Apple's innovation peak. You can edit it as well. You want to add something to it, you can do that as well within 40 characters. So now I'm adding the logo. So when you add any image inside AdPreso AI, you will have two options. Either you can crop that image according to your requirement, or you can use the image as it is. I am using as it is. Now I already have an image for this particular ad. But if you don't have any image and you wish us to help you in that, we also have this generate image option. When you click on it, you will get three options: Pixabay, Unsplash, and Generate by AI. So when I use Pixabay, and let's say Apple products, and click on search, so I have got a lot of options as per Pixabay's search capability. Same goes for Unsplash, Apple products. Unsplash has given comparatively nice results. Just Apple products. This is good. And we also have the option wherein you can use AI to generate an Apple product. So how you will use the AI, you can add a prompt like generate an image in which you are showing all the Apple products like MacBook, iPhone, iPad, EarPods, and then click on generate. And the image is generated, and it is a very nice one actually. Can you see? So if you wish, you can use this image as well. Okay, let me add this, and I'll show you one magic. So as soon as you added this image, all the colors present inside that image has been catched and fetched and kept over here. And you can choose any color, okay? However, I will be using the image that I had already chosen for this project. Wait a sec. Can you see? All the colors have been fetched. Now I want to use this bright blue because the brighter color you will use as your primary color, the brighter the whole ad templates will come up. A little bit of white with it. And I think this mustard is good. And then since this is blue and white and mustard, let's use, for headline, black. For all the text, let's use black color. In case something goes wrong, we have the option to edit it. And click on Continue. The magic has begun, and look at the amazing templates that are being generated. This is truly amazing. But if I wish to edit something in it, it's very simple. I will click on Edit, and it will take me to the editor. And then whatever I wish to edit, I can edit. Now moving on to the brand kit option, inside AdPreso front-end access, you get to create only one brand kit wherein you can add your logo, your favicon, and signature. In case you don't have a signature, then you can create it over here itself. You just have to write the text and choose the font, and it will be all done. Okay? And save it. So it will be saved. Going to the ad copy generator inside front-end access of AdPreso, you can generate 100 ad copies. What you have to do is you have to click on Create Ad. Now let's write the same name, Apple, because we just created ads for Apple. So we would want to create ad copy for same. Choose the product over here. I have chosen the same product. And you have to mention over here what type of ad copy you are looking forward to, selling, retargeting, what kind of ad copy you want. So let's say people who have watched the product but have not bought it yet. This is my instruction to the AI copy generator so that they create the ad copy using this angle. And I'll click on Submit. So when I chose that Apple project, it will use the website added in that project and capture all the data and use it. Here are 3 variations of our ad copies generated. First variation is curiosity-driven, second is authority-driven, and third is urgency-driven. Same functionalities for the ad target audience wherein you can ask AdPreso AI targeting audience generator that what audience should I target for my product. Let's see how to do that. Again, project name, Apple. Project selected, Apple. Now, as soon as I selected Apple project, the website has been used, which I added in this project. So you have to give again the instructions like what audience you want. Maybe, again, want audience who visited the store but did not buy. Who visited but did not buy. And submit. So here, primary audience, secondary audience, retargeting audience, exclusions and plot platform strategy. Everything has been created by AdPreso AI targeting audience generator. You just have to copy paste and use it. This is amazing, guys. This is absolutely amazing. And then you get client acquisition package. In that also, we are covering 2 businesses. Business 1, which is to sell ads by creating using AdPreso AI, and business 2 is running ads for agencies and businesses. Then you get client conversion package again for both the businesses so that you can convert maximum clients and projects. Then you get freelance profile launch guide for both the businesses so that you can launch your profile on top. Freelancing platforms. I hope that you use it in the best way possible and create converting ads. Thank you.
Now that you've seen the demo for AdPreso AI, there are a few things that you need to know. So first of all, let's talk about the benefits of this product. You'll be able to create 500 plus variations per run, which means you will never run out of creative ideas or different angles to run your ads on. The copy is benefit first, and you can edit the language to match your tone. So all of this is pretty simple. You don't need to spend a lot of time doing all of that. The targeting ideas are a great starting point, and you can always refine it with your pixel data. You'll also be able to use weekly creative swaps to stop ad fatigue before it even starts. What is my honest take about AdPreso AI? Now, from what I saw, I happened to use a review version of this and created a few ad creatives as well for my Facebook campaign. And what I saw is something that stood out was the speed, the volume, and the ad specific layouts that were there in the software. These are not generic Canva posts. These are specific to the URL that you're using to create these ads. And it's amazing. The best use, you'll be able to do a rapid validation of new angles, UGC style visuals, and seasonal promos for your ads. And something that you might want to keep in mind, which is a caveat that I found, is that you still need a solid offer for all of this to help you. You need a fast landing page that can support your ad strategy. And you also need a compliant messaging which is powerful enough to get your audience to buy your product. Now, the AI copy is strong, but I always tighten it for a little more clarity and claims. And targeting is a good starting point, but it's not the gospel. So you might want to take that with a pinch of salt. Who is AdPreso AI best for? It is for e-commerce owners who want new creatives for their product bundles, their promos, and their remarketing. It is for course creators and coaches who are looking for benefit driven hooks for lead generation and webinar pushes. 3, it is good for agencies and freelancers who are looking to sell done for you creatives or packages with commercial licenses. And it is also good for SMBs and local businesses who want to refresh their ads weekly to keep the CPMs and the CPL predictable. So it's overall something that is good for anybody who wants to run meta ads and make the most in terms of return from your ad spends. Now, this is at a one-time special price. So at that price, it replaces your designer for all of the variation work and the speeds testing. And if you land even one done for you creative client, I think the cost of this software pays for itself. And that itself makes it a very recommended option if you are specifically into creating ads. Overall, it's a pretty simple software, and if you are into any form of creative ad creatives and marketing using meta ads, this is something that I would recommend. So there are a few things that I would say are the pros and the cons. So first of all, let us look at the pros. The pros are, I loved the volume at the number of ads that it creates in maybe less than a minute. The speed is simply amazing. It is meta specific format, so you don't have to worry about the format of the ads. The copies are pretty decent, and the targeting ideas, the editor, and the commercial license, it's all something that is a steal at this price. Now, what are the cons? It is only for Meta, so you cannot use it for Google or TikTok or any other platform that you might be running your ads on. It still needs a decent offer plus a good high converting funnel for you to make money, and you may need some light edits, which is something that will be there with any such AI used softwares or platforms. And compliance with the ad policies or at Meta, that is completely your responsibility. So that is something that you might want to keep in mind. So if you are somebody who is into any form of ad creatives or create using ads to run campaigns and to promote your business, then AdPreso AI is something that you can give a try at this low price. I think it's a steal of a deal, and since you will be able to recoup the money that you are spending in pretty much less than maybe a month. I think this is something that you should go for it. So if you think this is something that you want to test drive, then you will be able to find a link in the description box below. Go ahead, click the link and check out AdPreso AI. It's a decent software and I'm sure you will love it. So I hope you found value with what I shared in this video. If you did, then do give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, then you might want to subscribe to this channel to stay updated with all of the latest videos I release. And if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment below. I will respond to all of your questions. So that's all that I have for today. Go ahead and check out AdPreso AI. The link is there in the description once again. So go ahead and check it out and do let me know your thoughts. This is goodbye from Dilip.